Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is great to be back today.
It is. How are you doing today, Paul?
I am doing very well, thank you.
I had a big breakfast.
A big breakfast. That is a good start to the day.
Yes, and you, Emily, how are you?
I am great. I am very excited about our topic today.
Oh, a new topic. What is it?
Today, we are talking about work.
Work. Ah, yes. Work is very important.
It is. We will talk about how English can help you at work.
Oh, that is a great topic. English for work.
Yes, how English can help you get a new job or get a better job.
A better job. I like that. More money.
Yes, maybe. But first, Paul, before we start.
Oh, yes. Everyone, welcome. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, and if you like our podcast, please click the like button, that little thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And subscribe.
to Everyday English Talk channel.
It helps us make more podcasts for you.
And share this with your friends. If your friend needs English for work, this is for them.
Yes, thank you. Okay, Emily, I am ready. English for work.
Let's start at the beginning. Before you have a job, you need to get the job.
Ah, yes. You need to talk to the boss.
Yes, this is called an interview.
An interview. Whew, that sounds difficult.
It can feel difficult. Many people are nervous.
Yes, I am nervous. My hands are cold.
It's okay. We have some easy tips to help you.
Whew, good. I need easy tips. What is tip number 1?
Tip number 1 is prepare.
Prepare. What is prepare?
It means you practice before the interview.
Practice? Like practice my English?
Yes, practice the questions and the answers.
Oh, what questions?
A very, very common question is, tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself. Oh, no. What do I say?
It's a big question, but your answer can be simple.
Simple is good.
Yes, you say your name. My name is Paul.
Okay, my name is Paul. Easy.
Yes. Then talk about your work now. I am a teacher. I work at a shop.
I am a podcast host.
Exactly. Perfect. And you can say one thing you like.
One thing I like pizza?
Maybe not pizza. Maybe something about work.
Okay. I like talking to people.
Yes, that is wonderful. My name is Paul. I am a podcast host. I like talking to people.
Wow, that sounds professional.
It is very professional. You can practice this at home.
Practice? Where?
In the mirror.
Oh, the mirror. Hello, mirror.
Yes. Look at the mirror and say, "Hello, my name is Paul." It helps.
Okay, I will try that. Hello, mirror.
Good. What is another question? Why do you want this job?
Oh, good question. Why?
You can say good things about the company.
The company, the place where I want to work.
Yes, you can say, I like this company.
I like your computers.
Maybe. Or, I like your work. Or, you make good products.
Ah, I like your coffee shop. The coffee is very good.
Yes, that is a great answer. It is positive.
Positive, yes. Happy.
And talk about what you are good at.
Good at?
Yes, I am good at.
I am good at talking.
Perfect. I am good at math. I am good at writing.
I am good at helping people.
Oh, that is very good, Paul.
So in the interview, I practice. I talk about me. I say why I want the job.
Yes, and very important, smile.
Smile, but I am nervous.
I know, but a smile is friendly. It says, I am a nice person.
Okay, I will practice my smile in the mirror too.
Hello, mirror. My name is Paul.
Yes, okay. What about clothes? My t-shirt.
Ooh, good question. For an interview, wear nice clothes.
Nice clothes like shirt?
Yes, a clean shirt, nice pants, not your pajamas.
No pajamas at the interview. Okay.
No, it shows you are serious about the job.
Good tip. Okay, the interview is finished. What do I say? Bye-bye?
Almost. First, you say, thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time. Ah, that is very polite.
Very polite. And you stand up, you shake their hand.
Shake their hand. Firm.
Yes. And
I smile.
you smile. Yes.
Wow. Okay, I feel better. Practice, smile, and say thank you.
You got it.
Okay, Emily, I did the interview and I got the job.
Yay, Paul. Congratulations. That is fantastic news.
Thank you. So now I am at work
Yes, you are at the office or the shop.
and I need to talk to people, my work people,
Yes, your colleagues.
colleagues. That is a new word.
It just means work friends. The people you work with every day.
Ah, my colleagues. I like my colleagues.
Good. It is important to be friendly and polite at work.
Polite, yes. How?
Well, in the morning, when you arrive, what do you say?
Hello?
Yes, hello, or
Good morning.
yes, good morning. Good morning, Sarah. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Paul. How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. And you?
See? That is a perfect start to the day. It is friendly.
I like that. It is easy, too.
Very easy. Now, what if you have a problem?
A problem? At work? Oh, no.
It happens. Maybe you don't understand something.
Yes, my computer. It is not working.
Ah, you need help.
Yes, I shout, help!
Oh, Paul, maybe not so loud.
Okay, not help.
You can ask a colleague. Be polite.
Polite. Okay.
Go to their desk. Say, "Excuse me.
Excuse me, Tom.
Can you help me, please?"
Can you help me, please? Ah, the magic word. Please.
Yes. Please is magic, and thank you is magic.
2 magic words.
Yes. Or you can say, "I have a question."
Excuse me, Tom. I have a question. My computer is sleeping.
My computer is sleeping. Tom will help you. People like to help.
That is good to know. It is okay to ask for help.
Yes, it is very okay.
What about the boss?
Ah, the boss. It is the same. Be polite.
Good morning, boss.
That's good. Or, "Good morning, Mr. Smith." Or, "Good morning, Miss Davis."
Use their family name.
Yes, it is professional.
Okay, good. Good morning, Mr. Smith.
And Paul, when you work hard and you are polite, maybe you get a promotion.
A promotion? What is that?
A promotion is a new job, a better job in the same company.
Oh, a better job. Wow.
Yes, maybe you are manager or team leader.
Manager Paul. Oh, I like that.
Manager Paul. Yes. So, using good, polite English at work is very important.
It helps you get a promotion.
Yes. It shows you are professional. It shows you are a good colleague.
Wow. I will use please and thank you every day.
Good plan.
Okay, so I talk to my colleagues, I talk to my boss, but what about new people?
Ooh, yes. This is a big one. Sometimes you meet new people for work.
New people? Where?
Maybe at a work party or a conference.
A conference. That is a very big word.
It is. A conference is just a very, very big meeting.
Big? How big?
Maybe 100 people or 500 people.
500 people? Emily, I am shy.
Me too, sometimes. It's okay.
All these new people, I don't know what to say.
You can start small.
Start small, like the interview.
Yes, it always works. You see a person, you
Smile.
smile. Good. And you say,
Hello.
yes, hello, and you say your name. Hello, my name is Emily.
Hello, my name is Paul.
Then you can say where you work. I work at
Everyday English Talk channel.
I work at the coffee shop.
Perfect. Then, the most important tip,
What?
ask a question.
A question. Okay, how are you?
That is good. Or ask about them.
About them.
Yes. What is your name?
What is your name? Oh, good.
Where do you work?
Where do you work? Oh, good question.
Yes. People like to talk about themselves.
That is true. I like to talk about me.
Me too. So you ask, where do you work? And then you,
I listen.
yes, good job, Paul. You listen.
They talk. I listen. I smile.
Yes, you can nod. Oh, interesting.
Interesting. That is a good word.
Yes, it shows you are listening.
This is good. Hello? My name is... Where do you work? Interesting.
You have a full conversation.
This is called networking?
Yes, that is networking. Just talking, making work friends.
Networking is just talking. That is not so scary.
Not scary at all.
Okay, now I want to go. I want to get a cookie.
The conversation is finished?
Yes, I cannot just run away.
Please, Paul, do not run away.
Okay, no running.
You must end the conversation politely.
How?
You say, "It was very nice to meet you."
It was very nice to meet you.
Yes, it was nice talking to you.
That is good. It was nice talking to you.
And maybe you have a business card.
A business card.
Yes, a small paper. It has your name, your company, and your email.
Ah, yes, my little card.
You can give them your card. Here is my card.
Here is my card. Please send me an email.
Paul, you are a professional. That is perfect.
Wow, I feel ready for a conference now.
Good. Just remember, smile, say hello, ask questions, and listen.
And don't run away.
Don't run away. Wow, Paul, we talked about a lot today.
We did. We talked about the job interview.
Yes, prepare, practice, and smile.
Yes. And we talked about talking at work with colleagues.
Be polite. Use the magic words.
Please and thank you. For a promotion.
Yes, and we talked about networking.
Meeting new work friends. It was nice to meet you.
See, the English is simple, but it is very, very important for work.
It is. I feel much better. I feel more confident.
Oh, that is wonderful. That is our goal.
Wow. Look at the time, Emily.
Oh, yes. Time flies when we are having fun.
It does. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Yes, thank you all so much for listening. We hope this episode helps you.
Yes. And please, if you liked our chat, don't forget to subscribe.
To Everyday English Talk channel.
And give this episode a like. It really helps other people find our podcast.
And please share it with one friend.
Yes, and we have a question for you.
Ooh, a question.
In the comments below, please tell us, what is your job?
Ooh, yes. Tell us, what do you do?
Or what is your dream job? What job do you want?
A dream job. I want to be a pizza taster.
Manager Paul the Pizza Taster. We love reading your comments.
Yes, we do. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.